Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this recording, we'll show you the new option of drag and drop templates. Now we have two types of drag and drop templates. We have drag and drop templates that can be actually dragged to the face of the part, and we also have drag and drop templates that can be dragged to the cam tree as well. Let's first start with the templates that can be dragged to the part. If I were to take any one of these templates, let's just say I'm going to take a template called 10mm open pocket arc lead-in. If I were to drag it to this face, it will automatically create an operation on that face using the geometry of that face and whatever was inside the template. These templates that I'm using also have a tool already defined in it, therefore you already have the tool path as well. If I were to say, for example, drag a template to a face that does not have a home position, for example, as you see in this part, I have a home position only on this face over here. If I were to drag a template, say a face mill template, to this face over here where I do not have a home position, it'll actually create a new home position and put a tool pass on that side as well. Now, the other type of drag and drop template that we have are ones that can go to the cam tree. Now, all of them, including the ones that go to the face, can go to the cam tree as well. The ones marked with this icon, and as you can see, we have a call out saying drag the cam tree, as opposed to this one saying drag to face. This, when dragged to the cam tree, will open up the dialog that we've had now for the templates, and it will put it exactly at the end. Now, if I were to drag it, one of these templates, to an existing geometry as shown over here, it'll actually create an operation with that geometry. And this is true for any one of the templates that we have over here. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website, www.solidcam.com, and look for our Professor tab. Take care and have a nice day.